Welcome back, everybody. If you're new to this channel, I am Mac.
I'm Patty.
And we are Southern Blessed Homestead.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be putting together a little chicken coop. Got an email for this company, Aivituvin and Aivituvin.
Yep.
We all been tooting.
Be no tooting in this.
No tooting in the video. Aivituvin.
Tuvin. And Flash is trying to pronounce it as well.
So anyway, yeah, we've got a 5-month-old basset now, so we're going to try to keep it quiet. Sorry about that. So when we got this email to do this unboxing and review for this product, I told my wife, and she was very excited because she knew about it. I didn't really know about it, but she had seen people's other reviews and videos on it. And
yeah, and we really needed it at this time, so I'm thinking this is the answer to prayer.
this is box 1. We'll open it first. This probably had the instructions.
Do we need instructions?
I'm a man, I don't, but you do.
I'll follow the instructions. Not sure about him.
It's come with 2 boxes, and they're both about 50 pounds a piece, so it's a pretty heavy product. This one that we're putting together is AIR59. And I'll put a picture up of that, and I'll have links in the description and everything about the product, about the company, and so y'all can go check it out.
Oh, how cute.
Showing that.
Isn't that cute? Look at the little heart on the door. While he unboxes, I will look at the instructions. Does that mean I get to boss him around? What do you think?
She's good at telling me what to do, so what's the difference, you know?
Yeah, that's right.
Read the instructions, tell me what to do.
Yep.
So we're hoping the wind ain't too bad. I know it don't look like it right now, but we got a big storm coming in a couple hours, about 1 o'clock, which is about 3 hours. So we're trying to hurry up and do this, get it done.
They have everything very well organized so far, I've seen, and their instructions have everything laid out and lettered and numbered. And so I'm going to go through while he's unboxing everything. It tells me how many of each piece we're supposed to have, so I'm just going to go around and make sure that everything's there. And then we will get into the illustrated instructions here. Flash, you can't help right now.
No.
Anyway, this is pretty cool. Everything is pictured.
Okay, so we got everything laid out, and everything should be labeled with letters, and if not, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory like this. This isn't labeled, and you just look at the picture that's in the instructions, and you can tell what it is. So it's pretty clear and pretty precise. So, but for the majority, everything is stamped with the letter, and they've also got these little dowel rods here to make assembly more easier. So it goes there, got the little holes, and then so that's pretty good. That makes things easier. So also what's nice is they've got the hardware broken out into the sections that you're going to be working on. So when you're working on section P, this will be the hardware for that. P1, P6, and they got it all labeled in the bag. So that's good. Do what?
They have pre-drilled holes.
I'm having to stop for sweat breaks because you can see that it is
humid.
Quite humid in here in the south. And
storm's coming.
Yeah, I'm about to die. Whew. Let me raise this up a little bit. Sorry, I'm trying to get it back adjusted where it was because of the dog. But so anyway, yeah, North Mississippi, it's hot. Whew. See, that bottom pan is to catch the droppings. I think they want you to put it in now to kind of keep probably keep everything squared because everything can still kind of move around. So then these roosting bars, they just sit right down there in the grooves. I don't even think they're screwed in. They just sit down in there.
They sit there so you can take them out to clean it.
Yeah.
Clean them.
Yep. So that's pretty nice. And that door does slide in and out pretty good. So you can start out with some shavings, sawdust or something, and you know how many chickens you got and how much they poop.
Fine.
And clean it out. Yeah, pine shavings or whatever, and just slide the door out. And so far it's going together really nice. We like it. We started out kind of slow, but this is pretty cool here. I thought that was kind of cute. It's a little window and it's got a little thing here, and it just, there you go, you get a little ventilation. Then you got your ramp door there. Let the chickens out. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna finish putting this thing together. All right, so now we're putting on the nesting box sides. Oh, what screws for these?
No, because you're getting ahead of me.
I'm getting ahead of her. She's getting mad at me. And I'm over here pouring sweat. Man, golly. I need me a big old glass of sweet tea. Woo!
Now you know what you're doing.
All right, we're gonna do the other side real quick. Ain't no need for y'all to watch it because it's just like this. So I'm gonna pause it real quick. We're gonna do the other side, then we're gonna get the roof on. We're gonna carry on. All right, we finished with the other side, and which is just like this one. So we're gonna do this side for you and show you how it goes on here. So one thing we noticed is that there's no holes here, pilot holes for this. So what we did, we just lined it up with this and then that side, and we made sure that the latch would latch. So we put the latch on there to kind of help line it up, and then we'll just put the screws in here, and it worked out good. We've already done the other side over there and as a test, so that's what we found out. So there weren't any pre-drilled holes for this, so we just had to figure it out and put it on there for that latch for the drawer, but it wasn't bad. I just want to give you a close-up shot because I know videoing with the big camera back there, you probably didn't see nothing. So, woo, man, you can see it's kind of hot out here.
It's
not
just
hot.
Humid.
Yeah, the wind's blowing. It's nice. It's the humidity that's terrible. Look at you. All right, we got it together.
Did it.
So we're going to kind of run over some pros and cons.
And wait, let me see. It took us an hour to do it. Really wasn't bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we started like, about 10 o'clock.
And we stopped quite a bit because I had to get a drink and get a washcloth. And
yeah, we pretty much, I mean, maybe a little over an hour, but yeah, about an hour, yeah.
Yeah, if we had just not been videoing.
It wouldn't have taken
and just opened it up, took our time, put it together.
Half hour, 45 minutes.
30, yeah. Maybe 30, 40 minutes.
For two people.
So, yeah, for two people. So.
And we are old school, and some of it was frustrating, I'll be honest with you, but it wasn't because of it, more or less. It was just us trying to figure things out.
And I think it had a lot to do with, we're videoing, so we feel like we're kind of under a microscope. If a person was just reading instructions out of a box and doing it, I don't think it'd have been that bad.
Yeah.
But some of it seemed kind of confusing to us. So.
To him.
Yeah, she had it. She said a man shouldn't be putting this together.
No, a woman can do this just fine.
A woman's got the patience for it, is what she said.
In this relationship, anyway.
All right, well, we're going to, so did you have any pros and cons?
it is a thin material and different stuff, but it will do, and it'll stand up for quite a long time.
Yeah, I mean it's not a super heavy duty.
No.
You know, but it's nice, and I think it'll work for what we're going to use it for. So.
Yeah, it's more or less a temporary and an extra for specialized, And
it's made out of fur, and man, it smells really good. It's almost like cedar. It smells almost, it's good. And it's painted waterproof, eco-friendly paint. So
the roofing stuff, this stuff is really, you can tell it's like real roofing.
Yeah, that's real. That's real.
So it's waterproof.
Yeah.
It will be just fine.
Yeah.
It's sturdy enough for winds and stuff too. I'm pretty sure it's heavy enough for that.
It's about 100 pounds because that's what it was in the package. The packing, both boxes were 51 and 48, so it's about 9,800 pounds. So. Oh,
and each packet there was one screw left, so they give you one extra screw for everything.
Yeah.
So that was pretty cool.
Yep. So we're going to take you around real quick and just show you all the little gadgets on it, and then we're going to get it set up. We're going to put a fence around it, electric fence, poultry fence, and decorate it up a little bit. We got some tags on there, put some chicken tags. We're going to fix it up a little bit, so we're going to show you here real quick. All right, Patty, show us some modeling and all the little gadgets on the door. There's a little let them out, and then the little window with the little bar to keep it open. Yeah, there you go. I guess you could put a little
latch to make it stay open up here.
Yeah, you could put something there, a little string or something.
Turn that thing around.
Yeah. And then show them the nesting box. Got 4 nesting boxes, 2 on each side. Very roomy too. That's a lot of room. That's a lot of room.
They'll probably sleep in it too.
Yeah, they'll probably sleep and poop in it too. So.
But it opens from both sides, but obviously you do not have to have the doors open for both sides.
Yeah, you just probably now maybe the windows to get some air.
Yeah.
So that's probably what we'll do. We'll probably have both windows open, but.
And honestly, hopefully, future-wise, Mac and I will probably, if we use this for very long, we might put an automatic door on here.
Yeah, so in the morning they can just automatically go out, and we don't have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning to let them out.
I don't have to get up at 6 o'clock.
Well, Patty don't have to.
Yeah, it's well done. I think it looks good. It's really cute. How about the tray? Clean it out. Let's try that because I'm going to have to clean that up. Latch it. Latch. Uh-oh. I think you got that too far in.
Ta-da.
Yeah.
There we go.
It will completely come out.
You might set this thing up on blocks.
Yeah.
To get it up off the ground.
Yeah. And you can completely take it out and hose it down if you needed to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see if I can get it back in.
Uh-oh, Mr. Orange he's really over here inspecting it. Do you approve, Mr. Orange? Did we do a good job? It's gonna be your new home. You're gonna be in there with the ladies. Kind of tight in there. Y'all gonna have to crowd up, snuggle. I think he approves.
We'll see.
All right, so I'm gonna leave a link to their website in the description. That's if you order from the link on their website too, at the one I'm gonna put up, we'll get a little bit of a kickback. So if you order one, we appreciate it. It's not much, but you know, every little bit helps.
Yep. Yep. So if you're in need of a little coop that's just perfect for backyard, just small flocks and stuff, or specialized flocks, this is perfect. I think.
Oh, it's not only chicken coops. Go to their website. They've got
cat
houses, dog,
rabbit. No, not dog. I don't think.
Rabbit,
just cat
chicken,
and dog and chicken. I think
there was more than that on there, but go check their website out. They've got a lot of different houses for different animals, different sizes, different prices. Start out 50, 60 bucks on up to.
This also has a
500.
yard that pre-made like fencing box that you can attach to this.
It's like an accessory. It comes.
Yeah, they have a lot of things that kind of go with each other that you can like add on to. I've seen somebody that had 2 chicken houses with the yard together and all this kind of stuff. It was pretty cool. So I like their website, you know, and all their products seem really that you can use in any lot of situations.
Yep.
All right.
So go check them out. And hope this video was helpful for you. And you got anything else?
Nope. Have a
Southern blessed day.